Hey, this is Rob Conrad from JVBroker.com, and in this video I want to answer a question we get quite often, which is, are there any risks involved working with a JV broker? So my professional answer to that is, hell yeah. The problem starts with the fact that JV broker is not in any way an official title. So everybody can call themselves JV broker. My mother could call herself a JV broker and she doesn't even know how to use the internet. So there are courses out there that basically you pay amount of money and then you're a JV broker. I got his business card. JV broker, official, it says so. I printed it myself, I know it. So I'm not against anyone offering any courses, and there's some great stuff out there. The problem is this. A JV broker needs to have a deep understanding of business, of marketing, legal issues, contractual issues, and so on and so on and so on. Now, I've studied business and I actually have a master's degree from one of the best European business universities. I wouldn't touch a contract, period, because I'm not a lawyer. Yet the problem is some people who just attended the 4-hour online Become a JV Broker seminar can call themselves a JV broker and then can consult other people on how to do contracts between two parties, which really is a complicated issue. And they might say, hey, look, I get this template. It's one page and it fits everything. Most of the time, things will probably go well. So if things are going well, the two parties will be happy, no issues. The problem is what happens if you get involved with somebody who gives you bad advice. And then you have a contract with another company and the company says, look, I have this issue and we have a contract. What then? And we actually know of cases where people went to court and then they had to take a lawyer and they had to pay the lawyer and then they lost the case. And we are talking about tens of thousands of dollars of legal fees just because you listen to somebody who doesn't know what he's talking about. And I'm not saying this has to happen. And I'm not saying this will happen to you. The thing is, if you work with a JV broker, you should ask, hey, what's your business background? How long have you been into business? What's your legal background? What can you tell me about your contracts? Are you working with a lawyer to do your contracts? So these are very important questions and these are involved with a risk. So that's why working with a JV broker does involve some risk. And that's why when you pick your JV broker, you should ask them these questions. And just give you one example, we never work with standard templates. So whenever we work with a client, we just don't go and say, look, there's a template, it'll be fine. No, it'll be fine. No, every client that we work with, whenever there are legal issues involved, we can get to our database of contracts, can have a look if there were any similar issues, but we're going to make sure that everything is double checked and everything is safe, and so that you're safe when it comes to legal issues. I hope this helps. It was a pleasure doing this for you. If you have any questions, please drop us a line at contact@JVBroker.com. and we will be happy to answer them for you. Have a great day.